Hello and welcome to this Little Fox French key skill video on how to form the present tense in French for regular ER verbs. So we'll have our verb. In this case, we're using the verb aimer. We need to take our stem, which is this bit here. So it's the AIM. A-I-M. So we cross off our ER and we're left with M. Then we have our pronouns and we have different endings for each different pronoun, singular ones and plural ones. Remember, if you don't know what pronouns are, we have a key skill video on that, so be sure to check it out. So here we have our pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle. Il and elle have the same ending. Then we have our plural pronouns. Nous, vous, il, elle. Same with il and elle here. We have the same endings. So for each of our different pronouns, we have different endings. Let's see what these are. Je is an E. Tu is an ES. Il or elle is an E. For our plurals, we have ONS for nous, EZ for vous, and ENT for il or elle. So now, to form our verb, or our conjugated verbs, we take our pronouns, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and we add the stem. Now for je, we cross off the E because this is a vowel for this particular verb. We have je and we add an apostrophe. So it becomes j. Then we add our stem, which is this bit here. M to each of our pronouns. So j'aime, tu aimes, il aime, and so on. Then we add our endings. So we have E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So this means that our final verbs end up as j'aime, tu aimes, il ou elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, il ou elle aime.